After a 2018 upgrade, the 2019 Honda Accord will probably get negligible updates for the 2019 model year. For 2019, the base LX, Sport, X, XL, and Touring trims are offered with the standard 1.5-liter Turbo 4. The 2.0-liter Turbo 4 motor is offered in the Sport, XL, and Touring trims, while the half-and-half powertrain is sold in the base Hybrid, X Hybrid, XL Hybrid, and Touring Hybrid trims. Remarkable highlights on the best Touring trim incorporate a head-up showcase, warmed and ventilated front seats, warmed back seats, a remote telephone charger, near-field communication for perfect Android gadgets, for Bluetooth matching and to exchange media documents, Wi-Fi hotspot ability, programmed LED headlights, LED haze lights, inside encompassing lighting, a traffic sign acknowledgment framework, a 10-speaker premium sound framework, a 8.0-inch touchscreen, a route framework, and the Honda Sensing bundle of driver help security highlights. The motors for the 2019 Accord should persist, including the standard 192 horsepower 1.5-liter Turbo 4, a discretionary 252 horsepower 2.0-liter Turbo 4, and an accessible half-breed powertrain with a consolidated yield of 212 horsepower. The 2.0-liter gets a 10-speed programmed, and a CVT backs the 1.5-liter motor and the mixture powertrain. Both non-cross breeds can be had with a 6-speed manual. For the 2019 model year, EPA appraised mileage rating extended from 47/47ths of a mile per gallon city/interstate in the Accord Hybrid on the top of the line to 22-30 seconds for the 2.0-liter motor with the 6-speed manual or 10-speed programmed. The Honda Sensing bundle of driver help security highlights is standard on each Accord. The highlights incorporate crisis-programmed braking, versatile journey control, a path-keeping framework, traffic sign acknowledgment, and a street takeoff relief framework. Other well-being highlights incorporate programmed high pillars, vulnerable side observing with cross-traffic caution, and front and back stopping sensors. The 2019 Accord got the most elevated generally appraising of 5 stars from the NHTSA and is viewed as NHTSA's 2018 top safety pick.